Hello, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land, another snack review, another food review, where we're going to try something different, something we haven't had before. And today we're going to try pink lemonade KitKats. That's right, pink lemonade KitKats. These are a limited edition flavor, at least according to the box that I picked these up from. So we have the pink lemonade KitKats. I don't know if I've not seen these in my local area. I actually picked these up while I was traveling across the country, and so I'm going to try them and just see how they taste. Break me off a piece of that KitKat bar. Give me a break, give me a break. Break me off a piece of that KitKat bar. Here we go. Well, it wasn't too bad. There was the little slight taste of pink lemonade, and that one I had. Other than that, it just kind of tasted like almost like it's just a strawberry coating, really. Like a strawberry with a hint of lemon. Yeah, not too bad. It's not overpowering though. It's a little bit, the taste is not as strong as I would prefer it to be. So there's that. Would I purchase these again? Maybe. I might purchase these again. And then on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give these a 5.5, 6, somewhere around there. They're not, I mean, it's nothing outstanding about it, and the flavor, while it's there, it's not as powerful as I would prefer to like, but it's not bad or anything like that either. So, 5 is the average, so anything above 5 is good. Anything below 5 is not as good. So, and there we have it, the pink lemonade KitKats. Well, this has been another adventure in TV Land. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.